Yo, 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 it's David down at Crosstown, Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2011 Cadillac Escalade regular wheelbase, powered by the 6.2 liter Vortec V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this seats up to 7 people, and this is a luxury SUV, and what a beast it is, and it is absolutely beautiful. Come to the front here, you'll have projector style LED headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. Of course, you have your high beams there, fog lights down below, turn signals are down there, LED clearance lights, very unique design. You have chrome in the front here, 2 tow hooks, beautiful Cadillac badge there too. Come to the side here, this Cadillac Escalade is running on 22-inch dub rims, and they are blacked out rims, and the rims are on Cooper Discoverer mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction on both sides of the Escalade. There are running boards, which makes it that much easier to get inside. Chrome door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. There's chrome on the mirrors too, and these are breakaway. The Escalade does have a blind spot monitoring system and LED turn signals built into the mirrors. Let's open up the driver's side door here. All right, here's the driver's side door panel. There's storage down below with a cup holder, a convenience light there, beautiful leather padding, wood styling touches on the doors and throughout the interior. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. This has power folding mirrors. You can fold the mirrors in if you need to park in a tight parking spot, and then when you pull back out, you can easily fold the mirrors back out just like that. This does have driver's seat presets, and by the push of a button, the seat will adjust to your preset settings. And let's say you're parked in a parking spot and you want to get out, and you have to move the steering wheel up or maybe the seat back, not a problem. Just hit this button right here and look what happens. The steering wheel goes up and the seat moves back, so you can easily get out of the Escalade. How cool is that? I think it is very cool. This has automatic headlamps. Turn off the dome light here, your dimmer knob, that will turn on the fog lights, directional air vent which you can close and open, wood styling touches on the dashboard. This is a leather wrapped steering wheel with unique materials on it, wood styling touch. This is a power adjustable steering wheel. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. This has leather seats throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Cadillac Escalade. And there's a power sunroof up top. There is a cell phone holder right here, wood styling touches, beautiful leather padding, upper storage area here with a phone charger, great materials. Grab a lower, there are headphones for the media center and a remote, because this does have a rear backseat entertainment area. There's a power outlet right here, and there's a USB port. Lots of space in here for many different things. And right here, there are 2 big cup holders. There's a power outlet and an ashtray, and this does have power adjustable pedals. You can move the pedals further or closer away from your feet for the best driving position. And this has an auto dimming rear view mirror with built-in OnStar. Sweet. Reading lamps up top here, which is also the interior lighting. Let's go check out the back seat area. There's chrome around the speaker, nice touch, Cadillac badge, leather padding, beautiful stitching, wood styling touches, power window switch, chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors, pocket on the back of the driver's seat. There's 2 big cup holders down below here, AV connections. This is a power outlet. This does have rear audio controls. These are where headphones can plug into. This does have heated seats in the back and rear climate control, turn on and off right there. Adjust the temperature, adjust where you want the air to go, adjust the fan speed, adjust the volume using these knobs. And up here is the rear entertainment area. Press this here, pops down, and this is the LCD screen. It is by Panasonic. So people, kids or adults, can be entertained on a long road trip with this entertainment area. And there's lights up here too. Handles that your passengers can hold on to in case the ride gets a little bumpy. Through here, there is access into the rear seating area. These are also reading lamps. All you gotta do is push them with your finger, they'll turn on, push them again, and they'll turn off. And there's also reading lamps in the rear seating area. Directional air vents up above that your passengers can adjust for the best airflow. Pull this handle right here. Backrest will fold forward, fold it again, and it flips up like so, giving good access into the rear seating area. There's two big cup holders on the side, little storage spot on the side there too. And you can also fold the seat up by using a button here on the side. It is power. Boom, there you go. And then you just gotta push it back down with your hand, push the backrest back up, and then there's an armrest there as well. That's where you put gasoline inside this Cadillac Escalade. This has LED tail lamps on the back. Those dots on the back bumper are rear parking sensors. Here is the key fob. There is an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. This has remote start. Hold this button here, and that pops open the easy access port, as I like to call it. So if you just want to put some bags in here, you can easily do so. And this does have a power lift gate. There's a handle down here, so you can press the button down here, or you can use the key fob. Press this button twice. There we go. Opens up right before your eyes, like so. Very nice. Great view of the interior from back here. Lots of footroom in the rear seating area. So here we go. Step one, this goes down like so. Step two, just pull this up like this, and it goes up. Same with this side, super easy. When the seats are up like this, gives you a lot more space to haul bigger things in the back of this Cadillac Escalade. And there you go, you better look at the cup holders there. Little storage spot, there's a power outlet right here. And they'll put these back down, just grab this handle here, push the two in, and it locks back into place. And then you can pull the backrest back up. Adjustable headrests for the rear row seating area too. And these do come out completely, but you only use step 3 if you want to take these out completely. And there's a handle right here, so you can pull down the liftgate by hand, or you can just press this button right here, and it'll come right back down. There we go. There are roof racks on the top of the Cadillac Escalade in case you want to haul things on top of it. Chrome around the speaker, great style, leather padding, beautiful stitching, power window switch, chrome handle right here so your passengers can easily get into the back seat area. And there's another handle on that side too. Park on the back of the passenger seat. There's a button on this side too, just press it and the seat will fold up. Actually, you just need to press it twice, so first time you press it, backrest goes down. Press it the second time and hold it, and then the seat will fold up. Storage down below with the cup holder. Beautiful styling, leather padding, beautiful stitching, power locks, power window switch, directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. This feels absolutely great and looks absolutely nice. This is an absolutely beautiful SUV. I can't stress that enough. Cadillac is a beast that is just so lovely. Convenience handle right here. Passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support too. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. This little spot right here has nice materials inside of it and can be used as a pen holder. Now I'm sitting inside the 2011 Cadillac Escalade, and here is the key. Using the key here, we can go over the side and push this into the ignition just like this. This is another remote start fob. All you gotta do is turn this like so, and it fires right up. Check out the gauges. Very modern and clean design that I could stare at all day. This only has 118,204 kilometers on it. Not very much at all. So definitely come down to Crosstown, take this thing for a test drive. Nice Cadillac badge here in the middle with, of course, a horn. This is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the left here. This does have a heated steering wheel. On the side here, there are audio controls. You can adjust your volume here. Seat buttons. It does have voice recognition. Hazards are right there. And to go through our driver information center screen in the middle here, we can use these buttons on the side. So I'm going to press this button right here, and the first thing you'll see is a trip computer. Hold this check mark right here and you can easily reset that. Fuel range on your tank of fuel, average liters per 100 kilometers that you can easily reset just by holding this button right here. Fuel used, you can reset that too. We have a timer, which we can start by pressing the check mark. Transmission temperature, instantaneous economy, and you have a blank screen, and that is a digital speedometer, by the way. Press it again, brings back up our odometer, and there's an outside thermometer there and a compass. Press this one, tells us our oil life, your side blind zone alert, which is blind spot radar. You can turn that on and off. You can change the units. You have your front tire pressures, rear tire pressures, battery voltage, oil pressure. You calibrate your compass, and it's a blank screen. Very nice. Of course, the digital speedometer is going to stay there. And using this button here, you got even more settings. You can change your display language, auto door lock, unlock, remote door lock, lots of settings. I'm just going to put this back on the main screen like that. And if I put this Cadillac Escalade into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And remember to always check your surroundings for safety. Maybe you just heard a beep when I put this into reverse. Well, that's just the sound to let you know that the parking sensors are working. Tow/haul mode right here, press that. That activates tow/haul mode. The doors do lock when you put this into drive. There's directional air vents in the middle here, which you can close and open. Close and open. There's a beautiful tick-tock clock up here. Looks very good. This does have the Bose premium audio sound system, giving you exceptional sound quality. Fold down sun visors here with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights, so you can see what you look like at nighttime, and these are breakaway and they do slide. There's tons of visibility out the front window. Down here, you can turn off the traction control, you can turn off the parking sensors. This does have the dual climate control up front, but in total 3-zone climate control if you include the back. Passenger temperature, driver's temperature, adjust the fan speed by using this knob here. Adjust where you want the air to go. Air conditioning recirculate button. This does have heated and ventilated seats up front. This is the ventilated seat. That's the heated seat. I'm gonna put on the ventilated seat right now, but you can choose whether you want your back heated or if you want your back and your bum heated. That's what those buttons are for. If you don't want the passenger climate on, not a problem, just press that. It'll turn off. If you don't want your climate on, not a problem. You can turn it off, but it also turns off the passenger side. There is a CD player right here. This is an auxiliary port. Press the power button here,
Music for you. Kiss 91.7. You're in the middle of 91 minutes non-stop.
Great sound quality through the speakers.
Today. Now here's my...
There you go. Sounds really good. Love it. This does have GPS navigation. It's always handy to have GPS navigation. You can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map here. Here you have your music. You have it show up. Tell the song and the artist that's playing on your media. You got traffic right there. You got your clock, which you can easily adjust, but we'll put that back on the full map. Here we go to our main audio area. Presets are down below. You got your configuration button. Adjust settings very easily. I'll put this back here. You have a phone button here. Sweet. It does have OnStar hands-free calling. So if say the media is playing, you can just press this button here once. That'll mute it, but hold it, it'll bring up voice recognition.
Ready?
Cancel.
Cancel. Thank you. Goodbye.
There you go. Programmable garage door opener. This will let you know if the passenger airbag is on or off. And up here you have buttons for the power sunroof. Just press it once and you can easily close it back up like that. And you can open up the vent as easy as that. And you can close it up just like that. And you can turn off the power liftgate if you don't want on, just like that. Or you can just press it like this and it will open right up. And what I love about the information center is that it gives you information about everything. Like it'll tell you if the rear access is open, which is talking about the rear liftgate. And it closes right back up. Oh, that 6.2 liter V8 sounds really nice. I gotta tell you that. It basically looks like a brand new vehicle. It's so nice and clean. It's the 2011 Cadillac Escalade regular wheelbase, powered by the 6.2 liter Vortec V8 engine underneath the hood, and it seats up to 7 people. It's a luxury SUV with absolutely comfortable leather seats, blind spot radar, backup camera, rear parking sensors, and so much more. Come see if this is gonna be your next whip. I'm your man, David, and I'll talk to you later.